Unstoppable Untouchables. The name of their band.
That might be the same guys that were playing in Kuruiko. They probably tour around.
Nobody can touch them, man.
Yeah.
Nobody can touch them. Guess what happened? Actually, it just rolled right down up there. What happened was, Jim's brother was parked. He was parked up here on this little bit of a hill. He backed in, and then his dog tripped the emergency brake while we were all down by the fire. His dog tripped the emergency brake, and it rolled right down the hill, like right like this. Hit my car right there. Hit this car, and the fender bumped right back out, and just pushed it right down the hill, right over the curb and the sign. And we're just lucky that the tree stopped it, because it could have made life way too interesting for us if it hadn't hit the tree. And there's the famous round spring.
I can't seem to give them up. I just like morels too much. I like other shrooms and such, but I just like morels too much. Grab your compass, grab your knife. When lilacs bloom, they're coming ripe. Where fires burn, they can be plucked. The best non-timber forest product, by the pound or by the bunch. No, I just like morels too much.
Cool, man. No, we should have some really good high quality stuff coming in. We'll be shipping out Monday for sure.
Now you're asking yourself, why is Lair basking in the sun on this fine day when he should be hunting morels? Well, it's snow. It's no good. Now, trying. Surprising to see snow still on the road this low down here. Made it through that bank, made it through that one, made it through that one, didn't make it through that one, but that's okay. There's a guy stuck in front of me, so
Cook 'em up, fry 'em down. I like 'em when they're nice and brown. Pick all day, and when I'm done, I'll fry 'em up and eat a ton.
That's a pretty little patch. Sweet. Too nice a patch to leave behind.
That wasn't that. They were yet nice young ones.
And look at these nice red, rosy, pink corals. Those are going to be tasty.
quite the culinary rep. The black morel, Augusta Sep, yellow morchella esculenta dresses up your fried polenta. The taste of grace just can't be touched, and I just like morels too much. I can't seem to give 'em up, I just like morels too much. I like other shrooms and such, but I just like morels too much. I just like morels too much. I just like morels too much.